एक्चुली आमची दोन लायनी आसा 150 AC आणि 100 AC. ओके आणि I was passing this side, so I got this news also. I have not got the news, but I just saw it and I just waited. And the thing is that we also don't know that this line is ours. I'm just little bit suspicious about this because our line is 150 AC is on the edge of the highway. Okay, and one more is there 100 AC that is also little bit inside of the highway. But exactly after excavating we will come to know. आमका कळटले की बाबा what is the exactly magnitude and कोणाची line ती. So by evening we will complete it. Anyhow.
कितले लोकांना
Up to Majorta it is going. If it is 150 AC then it is up to Majorta.
सो आता कितले लोकांक एरिया उदो
Up to Majorta, from Patiapur up to Majorta and both sides of the highway.
What could be the reason for
See, actually what has happened, the thing is that we are doing one breakdown over here Katamoto. That might be develop the pressure. Okay, we have closed all the valves. Okay, but still that might be a airlock or something and pressure जावपाक शकता. So we will repair it. By evening we will do the repair. Anyhow.
it burst upon the highway part?
Yes, that only I'm thinking how it burst upon this much weight.
Because this highway is a national highway.
National
and
highway,
the
that only.
standard of the highway is totally
That only.
different.
So I was thinking how much magnitude it will be having pressure. So actually I quite sure ना की आमची line almost edge of the highway चेर आसा. म्हणजे आमकां जेन्ना excavation करता तेन्ना कळटलें की आमचीच काय कोणाची ती line. ऑफ इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट म्हाका तितलें हें ना आयडिया ना पूण जेन्ना excavate करता तेन्ना कळटलें आनी वी विल रिपेर इट एनी हाव इट मायट बी ऑफ बेनिफिट.
ही area